safe and so.
Bloke's only excuse will be like, oh, I didn't want to break my car.
Go, go, go. What do I have to say for myself? Look, you know, it's not a good day. It's not a good fat day for my driving performance. I think tomorrow, you know, we'll go back to the drawing board and we'll start again. No, not again.
Massive wombats.
Where's the film? Sorry.
Beat it.
How's the aftermath of the Colorado's diff? Hilux didn't even hit. Oh mate's grading the track.
Come back. Come back.
You've got a fucking 6-inch lift in the front.
I would have sent it. The rear locker. Everyone else has just done it as per, but he needs it. Let's get a fucking... Imagine if this had a spirit level. Yeah, that's the angled lock he's on. Fucking how good. Stop. Alright. Everyone loves a rooftop tent till you're tipping on your side. Mate, I want a rooftop tent as well. I can't talk shit. Whoop. Oh, he's trying to get me wet. Big fella's giving her a bloody goer. Stop. Not to scare you up, but I just want to get a photo of your wheel. Look at the bag on that. That is rim in contact with the ground pretty much. That's beautiful.